Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify ESPP calculations with Fidelity detailed guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Fidelity account by visiting their website. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section at the top of the page. Select Equity Awards from the drop-down menu. Locate your Employee Stock Purchase Plan or ESPP details. Click on the specific ESPP plan to access the related information. Review the contribution amount that you have set for the current offering period. Check the purchase price set for your shares in the plan details. Next, calculate the total shares purchased by multiplying your contribution by the purchase price. Take note of any applicable discounts that may apply to your purchase. Apply the discount to your calculation to find the effective purchase price per share. Now, review your transaction history to confirm that the shares were properly purchased. Compare the total shares acquired against your calculated figures. Make sure to check for any additional fees that may have been deducted during the transaction. If there are any discrepancies, document your findings for further review. Reach out to Fidelity's customer service if you notice any differences or require assistance. Keep a record of your calculations and any communications for your personal files. Review your verified calculations regularly, especially during each offering period. Staying informed will help you manage your ESPP effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.